Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this yummy Nigerian stew. You need fresh tomato paste. I'll be dropping the link to a video I made like this in the description box below. You also need tin tomatoes. I already boiled my chicken, so I put the pot on the stove and let the water dry. The idea is to get all the water out so I can fry the chicken. Add as much vegetable oil as possible. If it is too much, you can as well scoop it out and use for your jollof rice or any other sauce you might want to make. So my oil is hot right now, and then I add the chicken. Ordinarily, I'm supposed to drain the chicken in a sieve to extract all the water, but I didn't have the time to do that. So if you want to give it a try, if you're making this, it's advisable to strain all the water to avoid the water splashing all over your body while you're frying the chicken. You want to let your chicken fry till it's light brown or golden brown. It's all a matter of your choice. One advantage of frying your meat, either your chicken, fish, or anything you're using for your stew, is because the oil helps, the frying process helps to make the oil, it helps to enhance the flavor of the oil. So eventually you use the oil to make the stew, and it gives it a really nice aroma as well as flavor. If you're being health conscious, you can skip this process and simply bake your protein, that is your chicken, beef, fish, or anything you're using. But I'm health conscious, but I get to fry sometimes, really. And of course, if you're not frying, you might as well fry your onions until it's a bit golden brown or light brown. That will help enhance the flavor of your stew as well. That's one way to go. And of course, other flavors and spices, other spices from every other flavors from other spices you'll be using. My chicken is ready now, and I'm straining the excess oil in a sieve. Ordinarily, I could add paper towel, but I don't like to use it, even if there's really no much difference between straining it in a plastic and in a paper towel, but I rather deal with one issue at a time. Then in goes the onions. The onions is expected to fry till light brown or golden brown if you want. The process of frying the onions helps to enhance the flavor of the oil. That is, the flavor from the onions gets trapped into the oil, and eventually it will transfer into the stew that is being made with the oil. Or should I say, when the onions becomes transparent. Which in this case it is. I diluted the tin tomatoes in a bowl of water. That is, I emptied the content in a bowl and then added water to soften it. The reason for this is to allow enough time for the tin tomatoes to fry. If you don't fry it, there's tendency for it to have sour taste, and that may ruin your stew. If you're using just fresh tomato paste, then it's fine. You don't need to do this. You can decide to fry or not. It's been frying, the tin tomato been frying for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I've added the fresh tomato paste. At this time I'll let both of them fry together for a while. And you know the tomato paste is already cooked, so it doesn't have to stay so long. It's been frying for like 10 minutes already. Don't forget to stir from time to time to make sure that it doesn't get burnt. In goes the salt, curry and thyme, fresh ginger. I like to use fresh ginger because it gives your stew a really nice flavor. Then that's my mixed spice. I like it. It contains a lot of natural ingredients. Then seasoning cubes. I have about 3 cubes or so in there. Ground crayfish. You can skip this if you don't like it, but crayfish also helps to enhance the taste of your stew, trust me. Stir again, keep stirring. At this time you have to be careful because it starts to splash all over the place. And then in goes the chicken stock. If you don't have enough chicken stock, you can substitute with water, which is what I did in this case. I like to add a little bit extra water compared to the consistency I want, because I usually leave it to cook for some extra time before I get to put the stew down, just to ensure that all the ingredients are cooked and mixed properly to give the stew a really nice taste. By the time the oil starts to float on top of your stew, you know the stew is ready, and at that time you can add your protein. The reason I don't like to add the protein all through the process is because it can get overcooked. At this stage, the flavor from the chicken blends with the stew and vice versa. And trust me, you will love the taste. My stew is ready and I'm so in love with it. You can have this with your rice, yam, beans, plantain, anything you want. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below, and share with your friends. Please click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I share a post. Until next time, bye.